Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to block someone on Gumtree. If you've ever had a less than pleasant experience on Gumtree, maybe someone sent you a rude message or kept spamming you with irrelevant offers, then make sure you watch the video until the end. Before starting, let me tell you that you cannot directly block someone on Gumtree since the Gumtree itself doesn't have a built-in block feature. But you can still prevent unwanted contacts from someone through their messaging system or simply report them by visiting their profile. First of all, open a web browser to get started and type in gumtree.com in the URL box. Make sure you sign in to your Gumtree account like you normally do. After signing in, from the main homepage, go ahead and find the conversation by going to your message icon at the top right corner. Select a conversation from the messages page, and then, if available, you will be able to open up the sender's profile. If you don't have any messages, then you can also go ahead and select the items that the person is selling currently. I'm just gonna pick up a random product over here just to show it to you. Once you open up their product info page, go ahead and find the report option right next to the product preview page. Once you click on report, select one of the options while you are trying to report the current ad, and you can also provide any other information that you think you should mention in the text box, and finally click on send report. So you can only report the user for serious offenses. Another thing you can do is to simply ignore and don't respond the person, or you can also mute the conversation to silence future notification from that particular user. So that is how you can work around and handle the situation if you want to block someone on Gumtree. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.